What's up, guys? It's American Gun Chick, and it's Gun Day Monday. Today we are in Carbondale, Illinois. Alright, so I came down to Shawnee Tactical and I'm going to help assist instruct. So I'm going to be an assistant and kind of help out with the class. And it's an all-women's beginners class. So it's all women that have never taken a class before, and it's fresh for them, and we're going to learn all about the fundamentals and sight alignment and trigger reset and draw stroke and all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm excited. This is my first time helping out with the class, so I'm awesome. I mean, it's awesome. And it's cold out here, so I can barely talk. I'm ready to go. I'm excited. Let's grow some new honey badgers.
I have handled guns previously, but it's been a long time. My husband and I used to shoot, well, 20, 30 years ago.
I'm Melissa from El Dorado, and I've shot guns before, but like very rarely, kind of like, once every year maybe.
I'm Emily. I really don't know much about them either. I'll be living alone soon, so I'm excited to learn some new stuff.
You can put it on your belt, you can put it on anything, and it will not come off. It's on there. This shirt I have right here, I have another holster. This is really nice. You can just put it right here if you're right-handed. The draw is really easy. You have a little latch right here, so you can secure it a little bit more. There's also another one on this side. But if I can hold 5 guns on here, then
Don't do that.
you guys can hold one. Oh, yeah. First, we had to dispel rumors. We went over bullets.
Crimp, but it's tight enough that you can't pull the bullet out by hand.
Taught about tourniquets. Then led with dry fire. We had a lot to cover, and unfortunately we didn't get a lot to film on day 1, as Joe the cameraman was helping us instruct. He has been learning and training with me nearly every step of the way since day 1. But after teaching some fundamentals, the girls quickly began to rein it in. Having a smaller group, it really allowed us to give proper individual attention, and these girls really progressed fast. Alright, so we just finished day 1, the first day of the newbies female shooting class. And what's cool about being on the instructor side is you get to really see how people learn and the way they absorb things, and like a lot of things that new shooters will tend to do. And a lot of times new shooters, I don't know about men, but especially women, will have a hard time racking the slide. It's almost like they feel like they don't have the strength to do it. And because I remember a lot of the things that they're doing, I remember are a lot of the things that I used to do in the beginning too, where I didn't feel like I had enough strength to rack the slide. My grip was a little bit weird and it wasn't ever completely right. Flinching, anticipating the shot, being nervous to shoot, to make your first shot. And in the beginning they were doing that a lot, and then as the day went on and after lunch, the flinching, the anticipating was really going down and really going away. You could have a deep, dark fear of guns and the recoil of them, but once you shoot enough rounds, then that will go away. And now I think as tomorrow goes on and their training continues, it's going to be even tighter, where their groups will be tight little groups, and it excites me, motivates me, and makes me want to keep going and keep teaching girls. And today was the fastest training day I've ever seen. It went by so fast.
amazed at how far these girls have come. I owe them everything I have in me. One day, their life may depend on it. That is something I take very seriously.
Yes, it is. I've learned a whole lot. Never shot anything before. I've learned to be comfortable with a gun and get used to it, know how to work it, know how to clean it, know how to unjam it.
It's been very intense and very good. I've learned an awful lot today and yesterday.
More than I ever would have thought I was being taught.
Well, I had no knowledge.
Yeah,
Oh, it's far beyond what I expected.
far beyond.
Yep.
A lot more detail.
Yeah, really good. Was not expecting this amount of detail and attention, and the stressors are really good. They get you in the right mind frame, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice to be taught that they could be used for protection rather than just annihilation. Raquel was awesome. She just makes it completely relatable for beginners and women. It made the class a lot easier.
Gave it from the women's point of view, which helped a lot.
Absolutely. And her showing us her gun and what she carries and everything and how she does that. It's very informative and a lot of good info. I really appreciate that.
Oh yeah. If I could ask all of you guys one question, do you feel more confident with being around guns?
Absolutely.
And do you feel comfortable holding one and picking one up and firing it, just firing it?
Absolutely.
A lot of them were scared at first to shoot, and then by today, they were just, running the slide, moving around, just doing a really good job. So I'm proud of them, and we got some new honey badgers. So good job, guys.
Thank you.
All right, so I'm out here with Jeff from Shawnee Tactical, and we just finished the second day of the women's defense course, and this was my first time assisting and helping out with the instructor side, and I thought it was really cool. You kind of get a whole new perspective of what's going on, and it's really cool to have new people because you can see how they start from scratch. Because all the classes I took, it was all people that were all already pretty advanced. So it's kind of cool to see how people learn and the things that people struggle with. And it kind of reminded me of myself, and what I struggled with were kind of the same things. What did you think? How did I do? Did
I thought you did
add anything?
a phenomenal job. I was very, very impressed with every bit of information you put out for the ladies. As a newer instructor, I thought you did an amazing job, and I can't wait to see you come back and develop that even more and more and more. We love it when you come out. We always have a good time, even though you don't watch Star Wars. I mean, that's okay though. It happens. But yeah, I mean, the girls, from yesterday morning until even yesterday afternoon, you were very impressed with how fast they developed. We can see it developing. We can see those groups starting getting smaller and smaller and smaller. And then even today, as we got into the more advanced stuff, they did even better.
It was awesome. It was cool. It was really fun. I can't wait to do it again and get out there. And the best thing to me is seeing a girl like Teresa, for example. She couldn't rack the slide. She thought, man, maybe I just need a different gun. I can't do this. And then after me giving her tips and keep telling her keep going, she was racking that thing like a champion. And then she looked at me and she smiled and she was happy. And I was like, dude, that is why I do it.
Absolutely.
Congratulations to the first class of honey badgers. Stay safe, girls, and keep shooting. So YouTube has really been cracking down on people. They're starting to give people strikes. They're starting to mess with gun people again, and it's really bad. And I just wrote some notes down, and I just want to let you guys know that I will be uploading stuff on YouTube and Gunstream. So if something happens to my videos or they kick this video off, go check it out over there. And also go to AmericanGunChick.com and leave your email, because I'll be sending you guys videos there too, and you'll get every single Gun Day Monday. There's no spam on your emails, so go check that out. Normally, my videos, when I upload something in a week or 2 weeks, it would get to 10,000 views, and the video that I posted last week is only at about 2,000 views, and they're just not promoting my videos, and they're burying us, so that's unfortunate. So there's other means to get my videos out there. Also, go check out my Patreon. Over there every Monday we do a full-length uncut videos so you can see behind the scenes and like tons of more stuff that's going on. And another thing that I wanted to mention too is I will be doing a giveaway, but this is kind of a different, unique type of giveaway, and I'll have more information on it. But basically what we're going to do is whoever wins, I'm going to fly out to you and we're going to spend the day shooting. So there'll be more information on that, but that'll be really cool.